Hello everybody. So today we're just going to look at solving our first algebra equations. Now equation in algebra is just a question that has an equal sign in it. So the first example we're going to look at is 5x is equal to 20. So we know that this is an equation because of the equal sign here. Now in order to solve an equation like this, what we want to do is find the true value of x by itself. So we already know that 5x is equal to 20. So to find 1x, what we're going to do is divide this side by 5. Now in algebra, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So that means we're going to divide the other side of the equation by 5 as well. Now on the left hand side, 5x divided by 5 will just give us x, because 5 divided by 5 cancels. On the right hand side, 20 divided by 5, you can do this in your head or use your calculator, but it will give you 4. And now you've solved your first algebra equation. X on the left hand side, 4 on the right hand side. So we know that x is equal to 4. Now we'll have a look at another equation. This is a kind of a trickier one because it has a minus before the x. So just like before, what we're going to do is look at getting x by itself. Now the fact that we have a minus here, that's something we need to get rid of. So we can imagine that this is a minus 1. In order to get rid of our minus 1, we're going to divide that side by minus 1 and divide the other side by minus 1. On the left hand side, minus 1x divided by minus 1 will cancel out. So you'll just be left with an x. Again, the minus divided by a minus will give you a plus here, so that's why it's positive x now. On the right hand side, a positive divided by a negative will give you a negative, and 3 divided by 1 will give you 3. So your overall answer is x is equal to minus 3. Again, the left hand side when you divide by minus 1 simplifies to x. The right hand side when you divide by minus 1 simplifies to minus 3.